Hello everyone. Today I am here with new video on PTE, and if you are willing to start PTE classes, then Edusoft Academy can be a best option for you, as we are about to start our new session of PTE classes here. So I will be instructing you some of the tips and tricks that you need in order to get high band score in PTE examination. So without much delay, let's get started. So what PD is, let me tell you, is Pearson test of English. The duration of this examination is 2 hours, and the result that you'll get of this within 5 working days. And most importantly, PT is more about smart work than hard work. Yes, you need one sort of English with you, but if you are smart enough, then you can score even better, because here are a lot of tips and tricks that you have to use in while giving real examination. So this is how PTE modules comes in your examination, as there are 4 skills in English language. So speaking, writing, reading and listening, and same in the very same sequence you will have to face your examination. The first test that you will be giving, speaking, will be followed by writing, and for speaking and writing you will get combined time, and the time is 54 to 67 minutes. This is the combined time that you will get for your speaking and writing module, and reading had like half an hour, 29 to 30 minutes straight, and for listening you'll get 30 to 43 minutes, and as a whole you will have 2 hours of exam duration. And as I have said you earlier that there are 4 skills in English language, and as per those 4 skills you will have to face various questions, different questions under speaking, under listening, under reading, under writing. But it will be started with the speaking first. The first question that you will face in your PTE examination will be personal introduction, which will not be scored. You will not get it, but it will be a good warm up for you. Like if I have to introduce myself, as just think of a situation that I am a student and I'm there to give my PTE examination, then I will have to introduce myself. Like, my name is Manoj Bhatta, I am 32 years old, and I'm giving this PTE examination so that I can pursue my studies there in Australia. Besides this, I love traveling, playing, watching television, so on and so forth. So this is how you will be giving your personal introduction, and soon after your introduction finishes, then you will have to face these 5 different questions. Read aloud, 6 to 7 questions you will be asked, and for each question you will get 15 marks. And read aloud, repeat sentence, next important questions, 13 marks. Describe image, 3 to 4 questions, 15 marks. In describe image, like you will get one image in front of you in your computer screen, and like you have to describe that image. What do you see over there? It has its own template, and you can go with template and you can get a good score over there. Retail lecture, 15 marks. Answer short questions, 5 to 6 questions you will face, and it will be of 1 mark each. Okay, next and most important thing, the beauty of PT is that these different modules are interconnected. While giving your speaking test, while giving your speaking test, you will be getting marks in reading also and listening also. So you have to be very much careful and conscious about the contribution table also. So let me tell you a little, let me describe you in shortly. Read aloud will contribute 32 to 34, as you can see here. 32 to 34 marks you will get from read aloud for your reading test. Without giving reading test, from your speaking section, your mark will go to reading as well. So this is the beauty of PTE. So you have to be conscious about the contribution table as well. Repeat sentences, 6 to 7 marks it will contribute to reading, and for listening 20 to 25 marks. Look, repeat sentence will contribute 20 to 25 marks in your listening. As you are giving the test of speaking, this is what you are doing. But it will contribute to your reading also, your listening also. So contribution also you need to be very much well known, and while you practice that, you will be aware about from this particular section how much marks I'm getting in next module. Then it will be followed by writing. Under writing, summarize written text. 1 or 2 questions will be asked to you, and they will be of like 7 marks each. You have to summarize the text. The text will be given to you on the in your computer screen, and then by seeing that, you will have to make a summary of that, and it will be of 7 marks. It also has its template. And next question is essay writing, and we writing essays, and 1 to 2 questions we will be facing there, and 15 marks will be graded for your essay writing. When it comes to essay writing, if you are very good at essay writings, then you can go with your own. You can back up your English language and write your essay. If not, for this also there is a template. A perfect template will be given to you, and you have to do slight changes there as per the topic, how it asks. As per the topic, you have to write the essay. So either you can back up your own English, or you can memorize that template and then write in the real examination. And so is the case here with writing module also. Like writing will also contribute to reading and listening. Look, summarized written text will contribute to reading, 6 to 7 marks. You are doing your writing section, and writing section is contributing to reading section. This question, summarized written text, it contributes to reading, 6 to 7 marks. Reading, then under listening section also there is this is of listening. Fill in the blanks will contribute to writing. Like when you will be doing fill in the blanks of listening, at that time this fill in the blanks contributes 6 to 7 marks in your writing also. Like write from dictations will contribute 25 to 30 marks. This write from dictation is of listening module. It is from listening skill, but this will contribute to your writing. As I have mentioned to you earlier, that these modules are interconnected. These skills are interconnected when you come in PTE exams, when it comes to PTE examination. Right after that, the next section is reading section. Is quite tricky one, reading section. I personally feel so. And here are 5 different types of questions that you will have to face. Again, same case, contribution to other modules. Obviously, it also has read aloud. Look, you can see 32 to 34 marks for reading, read aloud sentence. It was of this, of here especially of this reading and writing blanks. Look here, reading and writing blanks will contribute 20 to 25% marks in your writing. So you have to be very much aware about the contribution table. If you just practice and put this in front of you while practicing, so you will be very much well done. But let me go to this different types of question first. As I have written, you can see multiple choice, multiple answer, option C as a hack. This I have just written here. If you feel that like option B is for that, you can go B. But most of the time, what I have found while practicing these questions, that C becomes the correct answer. Here you have to select 2 correct answers, and here is negative marking also. How does that negative marking goes? Means 1 correct answer, 1 marks. 1 next correct answer, you will get 2 marks. 1 correct and next incorrect, 1, you will get 0 marks. Both incorrect, also 0 marks. So this is how this multiple choice, multiple answer goes. And reading and writing the blanks, number of question, 1 to 2 questions you will face here. Oh, this mistake here. And for this, like you will have 2.5 minutes time, and you will be graded 7 marks each. Reorder paragraphs. A perfect template will be given to you. How you can do that means a template will be given to you. If you memorize that template, if you practice that template, then you'll get the marks, the desired marks. Even better also, you'll get fill in the blanks, multiple choice, single answer. This multiple choice, multiple answer, here it is negative marking, but multiple choice, single answer, there is no negative marking. Again, here I have used like C as a hack, you can use any hack. Yeah, if you are comfortable with next. If you think that next one is correct, then that's fine. You can go. So I have already discussed about the contribution tables also. And finally, you will have to face the listening module, listening skill test. And here are 8 different questions. You can see number of questions. Summarize spoken test, 1 to 2 questions. Multiple choice, multiple answer, 1 to 2 questions. Fill in the blanks, 2 to 3 questions. Highlight correct summary, 1 to 2 questions. Means, look, the highest number of questions are right from dictation here. Look, 3 to 4. And for this, you'll get, this is the scoring. The most important question here becomes like summarize spoken test. You have to summarize the test. You'll be listening one recording there, and after listening that, you will be providing your own summary. It is of 10 marks. Multiple choice, multiple choice. I have already told this. Fill in the blanks, 1 marks each. Highlight correct, 1 marks each. Multiple choice single, 1 marks each. Missing word, 1 marks each. So this is how the listening test goes. And if you, okay, next is the contribution. Again, listening will also contribute to others. Look, nothing is there. Repeat sentences, and under reading it goes 25, 25. Retail lectures, 15 to 20 marks. Answer short questions, 5 marks. Summarize spoken test will contribute in writing, 10 marks. Fill in the blanks, 5 to 10 marks. WFD, this means write from dictation. I have used a short form here. So it will contribute like 25 to 30 marks in your writing module. So PTE is interlinked, and you have to do multitasking at the same time. Here, multitasking is needed. And if you are smart enough, if you can beat artificial intelligence, then PTE can be right choice. And if you wish to join and continue classes with us, then you can contact us here in these 3 different numbers and get enrolled, as we are about to start our new session of PTE classes from this Edusoft Academy. So thank you for having me here.